And so as you can see, a bird has laid 5 eggs in my little reef that I have hanging on my door. And one of them has hatched. And I haven't seen mommy bird for about maybe a few days now. So I'm trying to figure out maybe what's going on with her and maybe why she haven't been back to see them. Maybe it's because it's kind of awkward because the reef is literally hanging on my front door. So it's kind of weird to me that, you know, she will put the nest back there. But this is also pretty cool. You can see the 4 eggs right there. They're pretty big. We actually missed her laying the eggs. That would have also been a cool thing to see. So this has been cool for me and my kids to watch. As you can see, there's just 4 little eggs in there. And one of the little baby birds have hatched already. We seen her yesterday. I'm not sure if it's a her or he. I don't know. But we seen her yesterday, calling out for food. But we haven't seen the mom in a few days. So we're trying to figure out what's going on there. But there are 5 in there total. And one of them has hatched. And it's literally right on the back of my door. That is the nest. I'm sorry about this. This is some type of food. My kids are crazy, but it's literally right here on the back of my door on my reef that I had. I was planning on taking it down due to the holidays passing, but I've noticed that different birds liked it, period. And so I left it up there. And now I have a whole nest in it. And this is my reef. It's literally hanging on my front door. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. She normally would come here and watch her from this fence right here. Watch them from this fence right here, but I haven't seen her come lately, so we'll see. I'll give you an update.